Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. A sedan is defined as a four-door passenger car with a trunk that is separate from the passengers with a three-box body, the engine, the area for passengers, and the trunk. Sedans fit 4 to 5 people in 2 rows and usually have a decent-sized trunk for luggage, ideal for smaller households. With good aerodynamics and a lighter weight than an SUV, sedans appeal to those concerned with fuel economy and a lower price. The word sedan derives from the 17th century litter known as a sedan chair, a one-person enclosed box with windows carried by porters. The first modern mention of the word sedan occurred in 1912 with the Studebaker 4 and Studebaker 6's introduction. The irony, however, is that these cars weren't even sedans, per se. On January 11, 1913, Hudson Motor Company released its first sedan. This was the first time we saw the sedan with a standard 3-box design, and thus the association with the term began. Sedans are the most popular type of car body style. Classic sedans include the Toyota Camry, Chevrolet Malibu, Honda Accord, Nissan Altima, and Ford Fusion. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.